This is my second year attending the Let's Grow conference in Dallas. In fact, I also attended the one in Toronto. The conference is great. I mean, there's not a dedicated franchise sales focused or franchise development focused conference out there. And I think that's such a huge need because franchise development is such a core part of franchising. And to go out there and learn from the industry experts that are here, it's a great opportunity for a lot of the folks that are attending.
What I love about this Let's Grow conference is that it is intimate. What that means is you get access to people.
Here at Let's Grow, everyone that you sit down at the table with, they are very approachable. A lot of established brands with 50, 100 units are sitting down talking to you and giving you advice. They've been very approachable and easy to talk to and fun to hang out with.
These smaller conferences like Let's Grow, you're really able to just kind of settle in and create relationships. The content is wonderful, but franchising is special to me because of the relationships. So Let's Grow is perfect for something like that.
Even as a legacy person in the franchising space, the content has been amazing. I'm learning things that I didn't know, and I've been in the space for a really long time.
To Leanne and Michael, you guys have been invaluable in this industry. You have a lot of tenure, you have a lot of networking connections, and it's so good that you actually went out there and uncovered a hidden gem, an opportunity to throw a conference like this, great educational material. And networking is always fun, and we're very appreciative.